Okay, so what this says is take the negative of the square root of 196. So we know we're going to have a negative answer. Okay, we're going to have the negative of, what do we get when we do the square root of 196? Well, you could factor tree this out, and I encourage you to, and let's do it in, why not? We got 2 because it's even, and I'm going to take 196 and divide it by 2. We can just do this to find out what the other number is. 2 goes into 19 9 times, that's 18. 1 left over. 2 goes into 16, that 98. Okay, so we got 2 and 98, and that's not prime. That's 2 times, you can do 98 divided by 2 if you wanted to. Goes into this 4 times, that's 8. 2 goes into 18 9 times, 49. And it'd be nice if you knew that this is 7 times 7 at this point, right? That would be helpful. So we send then the negative of 2 times 7 times 7. It's the same as 196. And remember, it's negative. And whenever we see something in there twice, we can bring it out once. So we bring out a 2 times. And if we see something in there twice, we bring it out once. And nothing's left inside, so we don't have the root anymore. All we have is to multiply it all together and get negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. And that, my friends, is your answer. Okay, so the negative sitting out front here is saying that's not part of the rooting. That's just going to take whatever answer we get and make the final answer negative.